Okay, and I have someone from the boxing fraternity, and I'm going to do a little dance with him. This young man who has been taking the name of India all over the world, I still again feel that he's one of the greatest talents our country's produced. And he's really sweet. I've met him a few times. He's now becoming a friend and also trying to become an actor. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the boxing legend. Kithe hai mere boxer friend? Raise your hand. Please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for this young, wonderful man here.
चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी तब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था।
जब मैं आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखता हूँ।
अरे बावली छोरी, जब मैं आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तन्ने देखूं।
पहले बिकॉज ये बैक स्टेज मुझको मिला था और ये अभी हीरो बनने वाला है, तो मुझसे बड़ा दादागिरी से बात कर रहा था, तो मैंने कहा कि तुम खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करो जितना अच्छा मैं करना चाहता हूँ। इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू दिस कंट्री, टू द वर्ल्ड, एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू।
हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूँ विजेंद्र सिंह और अभी थोड़े दिन पहले आपने मेरे को कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में देखा था, लेकिन हार्ड लक मैं उसमें ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीत पाया। लेकिन अभी पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, अभी एशियन गेम बाकी हैं, उसमें दोबारा ट्राई करूँगा और कुछ अच्छा करूँगा।
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, दिस इज ऑल राइट, स्पोर्ट्स है, जीत हार होती रहेगी, तुम जवान हो और भी अवार्ड्स जीतोगे। मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है तुम्हें देख के तुम्हारी बॉडी की मैं भी बॉक्सर बन सकता हूँ।
तो ट्राई करते हैं, फिर तो मैं भी एक्टर बन सकता हूँ।
तुम कहाँ, हरियाणा से हो?
हरियाणा से।
कहाँ पे हरियाणा में?
भिवानी।
भिवानी। तो मैं तुमको डायलॉग सिखा सकता हूँ, तुम मुझे थोड़ी बॉक्सिंग सिखा दो। तो मैं एक डायलॉग है मेरी फिल्म का, मैं चाहूंगा कि सारी ऑडियंस को तुम हरियाणवी में बोलकर सुनाओ।
डन जी, पक्का
पक्का
पक्का।
ओके फिल्म है कल हो ना हो, हरियाणवी में बोला।
ओके।
जब मैं आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखता हूँ।
अरे बावली छोरी, जब मैं आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तन्ने देखूं।
और जब मैं आंखें खोलता हूँ
और जब मैं आँख खोलूं हूँ
तो तुझे देखना चाहता हूँ।
तो तन्ने देखना चाहूँ बस।
जब तुम पास नहीं होती तो चारों तरफ तुम्हें महसूस करता हूँ।
जब तुम मेरे दौर ना होती मैं तेरे को पास करने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
किधर ना होती?
मेरे पास ना होती।
दौर क्या होता है?
धोरा है, लाइक नजदीक।
धोरे?
हाँ।
अच्छा, जब तुम धोरे नहीं होती, ज्यादा मत की चमकाजी कर मुझसे, मेरे को भी आती है बॉक्सिंग। मेरे नैना मेरी नैना को ढूंढते हैं।
तेरी नैना को ढूंढते हैं।
मेरे नैना मेरी नैना को ढूंढते, तेरी नैना क्या बोलता बे?
अच्छा, मेरी नैना को ढूंढते हैं।
हाँ, मैं लगता टफ नहीं हूँ, बहुत टफ हूँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ मैं तेरे को। कोच सर, इससे पूछो, मेरा मुक्का भी काफी 2.5 किलो वाला है एकदम। वेरी गुड यार, आई थिंक वी शुड हियर इट वंस फॉर वीरेंद्र। वो फैंटास्टिक। अब मैं तुम्हें डांस सिखाना चाहूंगा।
ओके।
हाँ, एक गाना है मेरी पिक्चर का, एक स्टेप आगे आगे एक स्टेप पीछे पीछे। सो वी आर गोना डू अ लिटिल बॉक्सिंग स्टेप एंड आई मेक यू डांस टू दैट।
डन।
गुड फॉर इट? ऑलराइट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, लेट्स हियर इट फॉर विजेंद्र। वी आर गोना डू अ सॉन्ग फ्रॉम रब ने बना दी जोड़ी। Very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, please hear it for him. He's going to be the new hero. He already is a hero. And we are very, very proud of you, Vijayendra.
Thank you. Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the greatness and I wish you all the goodness. Thank you for making our country proud. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever is said about Sachin is always going to be too less. We'll never have enough words to describe his excellence and his greatness as a sports person, as a human being, as just a cool guy. So I will not describe it further. I will take a minute before I call him on stage and make you all see the legend that he is through an audio visual. So can we have the AV on Sachin, please?
Sachin is an absolutely ideal icon for each and every Indian youth.
हर वो माँ बाप चाहते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा बड़ा होकर सचिन तेंदुलकर जैसा अपने देश का सेवा करे.
You've taken every record as a stepping stone to another one.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sahara India Sports Awards 2010 has very rightly so decided to give Sachin Tendulkar the Sports Icon of the Millennium Award. And to do the honors, first I would like to call on stage Sahara Shri Subrata Roy ji, please. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the icon, for the legend, for the wonderful Padma Vibhushan Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar.
It is a proud moment for me. I am honored because I got a chance to honor Sri Sachin Tendulkar. It's a great honor to me. Once what happened this year only, he played a great innings. I was in the ground. I met him in the ground only. I hugged him. I said in his ears, God wanted to play cricket and he wanted to enjoy playing cricket. So God has entered in you and enjoying the cricket, playing the cricket. And that is why he is known as Cricket God. I would really like to thank all the sports heroes present here. Particularly the sports heroes, they have done so well in the Commonwealth and all other tournaments and events also. In olden days, there used to be kings and senapatis. They used to be in the battlefield for maybe 300 days. And when they used to win, the people of that kingdom, they used to really enjoy, they used to feel that great satisfaction of competitiveness instinct. And sports later has taken that place. There's no, is a God's blessing. There's no such battles. There's no such continuous war. But now, the sports heroes are giving us the same feeling as in the kingdom. Kings, when they used to win, they used to get, and they are giving us the same feeling. I think it is not that we are honoring them. It is not that we are giving them awards. I will only say that it is a thanksgiving to them, congratulations to them. I won't call it a Sahara India Sports Awards. I will rather tell it as a Sahara India congratulations and thanksgiving to all the sports heroes here present in different fields. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Good evening, friends. Sahara Shri, thank you for this honor. I'm really humbled. It's a wonderful evening, especially when, such illustrious company is there with me. And in front of you, when I get to receive this, it means a lot to me. I would like to thank Sahara Shri for having supported not only Indian cricket, but Indian sport. And in all hockey, any sport you talk about, it is Sahara who've taken the initiative to support Indian sport. And we do need that support and appreciation, that encouragement. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for all your support. And wish everyone, all the sports fraternities here. For this show, I've been coordinating with also Abhijit Sarkar quite a bit. So a thank you to Abhijit Sarkar also for putting this together. I just want to take this opportunity to wish everyone all the very best in future, and hope we all bring some laurels for the country. Thank you very much for having me.
Sachin, you just wait here. You are the icon of millennium. Your career has coincided with the golden era of Indian cricket. Your take on the journey so far, we'd all like to know. I know you can write books on this.
It's wonderful to have one of my heroes here, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar is here. I grew up watching cricket, and it was only Sunil Gavaskar. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for motivating our generation and many more generations to come. And from my personal point of view, I can say that, you know, when I got selected to play for India, Gavaskar came and gave me those leg guards, which I used in the first few series, and then obviously had to change them. And not to forget the support from my brother, the guidance that I received from my